Hello everyone, this is Arshpreet Kaur in front of you again. Did you know how ice ages are made? So this was the great research by a Serbian scientist named Milutin. He researched about the Earth and its movement and compared with the other planets. Then he found that ice are made by cool summers, not by warm or hotter summers. Because when ice is made in winter season, then summer season comes, then due to cooler summers, the ice layer doesn't melt at that instant or at that extent to which it was earlier when the summer were more hotter. Later, a Russian scientist came and he did deep research on it and he found the same idea. So what lesson we can learn from it? The lesson we can learn from it is due to tremendous force, we can't achieve success very quickly. We need consistency and small force in us that drive us daily to do some tasks, to do some consistency to make ourselves consistent and to just carry forward ourselves. Let us take another example. I hope you know about a Chinese bamboo tree, which takes approximately 15 years to make its roots. 1 year passes, 2 year passes, and 3 year passes. People give up. They think that it will not grow further. But after 15th year, it grows 80 to 90 feet per year. It doesn't grow in one day. It doesn't grow in 2 weeks. It did take time, but the results were tremendous. Let us take the third example. So the third example is of a river. River doesn't just cut the rock in one day. It takes a lot of force to cut a very huge rock, right? River continues to go through it. It forces the rock to break from a particular part. And after a long year, after a long time, the rock breaks separately because of the river's force. So these were some of the examples through which we should learn how we can just depend on consistency rather than being very quick with success or being very like just thinking that success come in one night. So it's of course not. We just need to stay consistent and must go with resilience and patience in our life, because success doesn't demand only hard work. It demands, I just read today a beautiful line early in the morning. It was some people are not successful because they worked hard, because some other people are not like in poverty because they are like they didn't work hard. Because we see every poor person, he tries his best to feed his family, to feed his students, to feed his children and to make their life successful. He does a lot hard work. I'm not saying that rich people don't do hard work, but of course it doesn't only depend on hard work. It also depends on how consistent you are with your work, and how slowly you are increasing your work, you are changing yourself by 1%, because that 1% matters a lot. I have also said it earlier in my earlier videos that the 1% change in yourself is a huge change if you see it after 365 days, and that's huge. If you read 20 pages daily, you will be able to cover approximately 24 books daily, right? So in that way, I would like to conclude my video that you must not focus on tremendous force to drive you and for the tremendous success. You just need to be consistent in your life and just take small actions daily that drive you and that give you results on the basis of what you're working for. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.